The beautiful thing about this program is that it does accept people from all different backgrounds.
I'm a firefighter with the city of Spokane, and I decided to get my MPA because it will help me with further promotions.
The public administration degree, really what that focuses on is sort of how government and public administration operates, but more than that, it focuses on being able to give back to your community, give back to people, and what all the logistics are behind that.
I want to eventually use the MPA program and all the things I've learned about organizational theory, public leadership, management, and I want to use that to get a management position and just move up and be able to make a difference within the community.
Deciding to get an MPA was definitely one of the hardest things because I do have a background in education.
My undergraduate is in theater, and I did international studies, communication, and French. So none of those have anything to do with public administration, but I've found that those skills are highly portable and can be applied into public administration. And I feel that the skills that you learn in public administration are also highly portable and can be applied in virtually any industry that you might decide to go into.
Moving forward and working as higher education, I definitely think this MPA will help me become more of a higher up level inside the secondary higher education part of things.
This program has a rolling admission, so I was able to start at a time that worked for me.
The class schedule has been great. The classes meet once a week in the evenings for a couple hours. So I'm in 2 classes, so that just means 2 nights a week. And then the rest of the time I have to study and continue to work.
I'm excited for the opportunities that I know will be afforded to me. And I'm really, really enjoying being able to explore the theory and the philosophy around the things that I am doing daily in my job.
I struggled a little bit at the beginning, and each class presents its own challenges, but every time I had a problem, I was able to go to the faculty, and they're incredibly willing to meet with you and talk with you about what's going on with the assignments.
Being a full-time employee and also being a full-time student, it's had its own challenges, but the professors within the program, Dr. Jensen, they've all been amazing, very able to work with me on my schedule. They've been able to help keep me updated on what I need to do to stay ahead and stay current in classes. They're more than willing to work with me and make sure that I can be successful not only at school, but also in life.
I feel like I'm able to put things into practice pretty quickly and integrate them really seamlessly into what I'm doing, and then I'm able to advance what I'm doing in my day job because I'm learning all this stuff about systems and the way organizations work and the way things function, and even some of the history stuff behind that has been helpful in learning how to move forward and choosing how to move forward within organizations.
So right now I'm just a specialist, and I want to work my way up to maybe like a director or a manager, maybe a vice president one day, you never know.